baby. Ice, baby.
Hi everyone, this is how we make ice in the Philippines. Oftentimes, they use plastic tubes to make ice in the Philippines. It is a waste of plastic bags because they threw them out after they are used. We use reusable plastic X3, and for large ice, we use the bottom of 1.5 liter Coke bottle. And also, this is a quart tray. So, this is the ice that I'm already made. I poured this. And this is the 1.5 bottom. So, I pour this. And also this one. This is a clear egg. So, after that, I will pour the water here. And then let's close. And this one too. And this one. So, we're done. So after this, we put back in the trays. And this is my ice. Look, it's so beautiful. Look at my ice tray. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe.